Hey guys, how you doing? Good morning. Another beautiful Palm Springs morning. Nice and cool today. About like 65 degrees. It's just kind of a rainy weather. It's going to rain again tomorrow. No, on Thursday, Friday, and possibly Saturday. Light rain, you guys. Not no flooding or anything like that. It barely ever rains out here. But hey guys, another day. So the last videos I uploaded was from the 2012 Fi50 with the idled limp mode. I was able to get that out of limp mode. That one pretty much stopped. Being in limp mode around the second step of the unlock procedure. A few videos on that. There's some shorts on that. Also, guys, I'm also starting to put very specific texted description of the steps needed for the work that I do. So I'm going to do that on all the videos that I do. That way you guys understand procedures, steps, not just verbally, but also in text, so you guys can read it. If you guys ever need to go back to it, you can read it on the text. Turn the volume down if you don't want to hear the video again, but read the text, get through it, and everything. Torque specs, steps, everything will be written down there for you guys to be able to just read it. Eventually I will learn how to do links and things like that. Right now I'm just typing them out, putting them on there, just because I think the way I look at things when I need information, I like to read. I do like hearing it, but reading it, there's nothing like capturing it in your brain from reading it. Regardless, guys, it's another day. It's a beautiful day. As you can see back here, we still got the 6.0 ARP headsets with full engine reseal. This is the one that I started with, showing you guys how to take off the bed plate and all that. I've already had it torn down to a certain point. That's because I started my channel exactly a week ago today. So bear with me. Like I said, you guys, all these videos that I put out are actually videos, pretty much real time. In other words, the videos that I put out on the F550, that was on Sunday. That was out in Cathedral City. That was on Sunday. Today is Tuesday, December 21st, 2021. Sorry, guys, that's my birthday. I was eventually going to say December 21st, 1980 is my birthday. I'm 40 years old. I'm turned 41 today. Getting old, you guys. See the gray hairs? Getting old. Regardless, with age comes a lot of maturity and wisdom, you guys. So there's something beautiful about getting older. Don't be afraid, guys. It's a beautiful getting older. There's some things you kind of let go of. Regardless, guys, here we are. This one I'm going to get back to. The 6.0 I will get back to eventually. You guys will get to see as I build that together in real time, not live, but in real time, meaning as I do it, you guys get videos, shorts, all sorts of data points, all sorts of specs that you may need. So today, guys, this morning I got in a 2005 Chevy 3500 Duramax. I'm doing a simple repair. I'm doing the water pump on it with thermostats. Guy says that a few cold mornings he's starting to have some leaks. Check through the weep hole. Sure enough, there's a leak. I'll show you guys how to check that down there. Real quick, guys, let me show you the truck. Let me show you what's going on. And I don't want to make these videos too long. I just really just want to not bore you guys to death. I'm sorry. I'm a very big talker. I'm very big on data. So please let me not talk my brains out. So once again, '05 Chevy 3500 here for a water pump. Let me show you guys. All right, guys. So that's the truck there. It's an '05 Chevy 3500. It's a beautiful truck, actually. This customer is up from 29 Palms up there near the Marine base. He's not a Marine, but I know that he does things up there in the Marine base. The way I know is because he has a Department of Defense sticker on it. I do a lot of work for a lot of Marines. Matter of fact, there's the F250 that was in its spot when I was showing you guys the other video. That one's here for a full engine rebuild. She's an actual Marine from 29 Palms. So here we go. This truck's gonna get water pump, thermostats, obviously all new coolant, everything, you guys. So let me go ahead and get that done. I will upload videos to you guys, show you guys some of the steps, have some shorts out there, and just give you some specs in the description of anything you guys may need on this repair. Again, there's my service truck back there. You guys saw that in one of the videos up there with the Fi50. That's my old little 9573 IDI. Love that truck. That thing's a beast. So again, guys, here's that 6.0 with the ARP head studs and full reseal. As you guys can see, I'm always busy. I haven't got back to it yet. I'm still cleaning the part, a few of the parts, so I can start assembling the bed plate and all that. But you guys will get to see all of that. All the parts are here. Everything's ready. So let me go ahead and get back to this '05. Let me get that water pump done. You guys be safe. I'll talk to you guys soon. Remember, guys, no anger, be kind, love each other. Christmas is around the corner. Too much of a nice season right now to be mad at each other. Too much politics driving people crazy, guys. Let's just be good to each other. Let's love each other. And again, always love you guys. Be safe.